You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Bybit to Binance. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with these steps on how to send money from Bybit to Binance. So let's get started. The first step is to get your Binance deposit address. So to do that, you have to open your Binance and go to the wallet, then click on fiat and spot. Then from there, click on deposit, then select the crypto you want to receive. Then choose the correct network. For example, you can pick from the available list in the video. You can pick from ERC20 or TRC20 or BIP20. From there, copy the Binance deposit address. Then next step is to withdraw from the Bybit. So open your Bybit, then go to the assets, then click on withdraw. Click on withdraw, then select the crypto you want to transfer, then paste your Binance deposit address, then select the same network as chosen on Binance. Make sure you choose the same network. If you choose the same different network, you are going to lose your funds. So make sure those networks are not the same. Then from there, enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. Then complete the 2FA verification, which is two-factor authentication if needed. And that's how you can simply send money from Bybit to Binance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.